This is more u substitution integration. So looking at this problem, I'm going to say that 5 minus 2x squared is probably a pretty good u. Take the derivative of u. 5 would be 0. And then negative 2x squared becomes negative 4x. Keep a dx in there because we're trying to get rid of this stuff. Okay, this stuff using this. There's not a direct match, right? So let's slowly work on rewriting the integral here in terms of u and du. So 14x, not what I want. So I'm going to take the 14 away. Just give it some space. And I'm going to add in there, what do I need? I need a negative 4. So I'm going to add a negative 4. I can't just do that. I'm going to add a factor of 1 in the form of what I need divided by itself. So I'm really not changing anything. I'm just adding a factor of 1. The piece that I don't need goes with the 14. The piece that I do need goes with the x. So I really get negative 14 fourths, which is negative 7 over 2. Negative 4x dx, all on top. Square root of u on the bottom. And now I see that this and du are the same. Well, I knew that before, but now I have a du that I can substitute in the top. So I have du over root u, and then this coefficient can come out. Now I can integrate. So just rewriting this, it's the same as u to the negative half du. Integrating, go up by 1. Divide by a half, which is multiplied by 2. The 2 from the coefficients, canceling the 2 there, and I get negative 7 u to the half. I'm going to plug in my original u, so I get negative 7 parentheses 5 minus 2x squared to the 1/2 plus c. Done. Another one. Again, I think it's somewhat obvious that take the most complicated chunk there, that's the square root, take what's inside and call it u. Take the derivative. Rewrite the original problem. I have the square root of u, and I have the rest, 6x dx all over 5. I need to make this look like this. Well, let's take out the 6/5, right? U to the half, 6/5 times x dx. I need this to be a 4, call it 4 over 4. That 4 stays, this 4 goes. I'm going to do a little bit of reducing on the way. So this is 6 over 20, which is 3/10. Take it out, 3/10 outside. U to the half here, and this becomes du. Time to integrate. U to the half becomes u to the 3/2. I multiply that by the reciprocal, 2/3. 3's cancel, 2 cancels the 10. I get 1/5 times whatever u was. Here's my answer.